Hello, friends. My name is Robyn, and I will be taking you through a 10-minute evening flow. So, this is a great practice you can try before bed. You can even try it in bed and fall right asleep afterwards. So, we'll go ahead and get started lying on our back. And before we let the knees fall, or before we bring the legs long, let's keep the feet flat on the ground and let the knees fall from side to side. And just winding down the mind, putting the to-do list and thoughts for the next day on hold. Nothing we can do about them during our sleep, so no need to think about them. Let's take one more each side here. Almost like the legs are doing the work themselves. And we'll meet back at center, planting the feet. We'll go ahead and cross the right ankle over the left leg. You're welcome to stay here, or let's pick up the left leg. You can grab behind the thigh or grab over the shin, wherever feels comfortable for you. And once you've found a spot that feels comfortable for you, we'll just maintain the breath. Should feel this through the right hip, right glute. One more big deep breath here. And exhale. Let's put the left foot back down on the floor if you had it lifted. And from here, we'll take our spinal twist with our figure four position. So we'll rotate towards the left, bringing the right foot towards the floor. And we can open up with the right arm. So we can open up and look over to the right hand, just letting the right shoulder relax. One more breath here. And let's bring the leg back in. We'll place the right foot on the floor. We'll go ahead and switch sides. So keeping the right knee planted this time, we'll go ahead and cross the left leg over the right knee or just below the knee so we're not pushing on the joint. And let's either stay here or pick the right leg up. You can grab over the shin or behind the thigh. And once again, just focusing on the breath here, letting go of whatever happened in your day today. No need to let it stay with you. Let's bring the right foot back down to the floor. If you had it lifted, we got a visitor. Hi, Austin. Come here. And we'll bring our left foot down to the ground as we open up with our left arm. You can let the head fall to the left side. Still sending our breath to the left hip, left glute. We'll take one more breath here. And we'll rotate back through to center. Place the left foot down on the floor. We'll let the knees fall from side to side. Just 2 times here. And we'll meet back at center. So you can bring the knees together once again or leave the feet flat on the floor. And we'll raise our right leg to the ceiling. So we'll extend our right leg nice and long. We can grab a hold of behind the thigh or behind the calf, whatever is comfortable for you. So we're stretching through the back of the thigh here through our hamstring. We can lift the head up gently, but try to keep the chin tucked. Big exhale as you pull the leg in a little bit closer, keeping it straight as possible. You can play with flexing and pointing the toe, getting a bit of a stretch through our foot. One more breath here. And let's hug the right knee into the chest. Push the left leg away. Flex the left toes towards you as we hug the right knee in a little bit closer. So the hips and lower back are definitely an area that can get tight throughout our sleep and tight from our day. There's never really a bad time to stretch them out. Let's take our right knee towards the right shoulder. So we'll bring it into the right hand. You can take your left hand onto the left hip. Just giving it a reminder to stay put as we open up a bit deeper into our right inner thigh, the groin. And release the leg all the way down. And we'll plank the right foot onto the floor. Bring the left leg all the way up to the ceiling when you're ready. And you can play with grabbing behind the thigh or just above the calf, preferably not pulling right on the knee. And we'll work on keeping the leg straight more so than pulling it in close. So grab wherever's comfortable for you. We'll take a big breath in. And exhale, using your arm strength, not your shoulders. We'll pull the left leg in closer. And you can flex and point the toe if you like, getting a stretch through the foot. One more breath here. And go ahead and hug the left knee into the chest. Press the right leg away. Press the right foot away. See if you can flex the toes towards you as we exhale. Hug the knee in towards the chest. Try to keep pushing the right foot away, like you could pull the right foot and left knee as far apart from each other as possible. And let's bring the left leg into the left arm. We'll bring it off to the side just a little bit. You can take your right hand over the right hip. Try to keep low back onto the floor as much as you can. And go ahead and release the leg all the way down. We'll finish out with a banana here. So we'll take our right leg off to the side. See if you can shimmy your right shoulder a little bit closer. You can cross the left leg over when you're ready, and we'll bring the left arm up and over. You can take the wrist into the right hand. We should feel this down through the left side body. Got William here for a visit this time. And we'll switch sides. You can bring the left foot all the way over to the left side of your mat or just over to the left, and we'll cross the right leg over. So we want to find a place where the back is still on the ground and right arm up and over the head. You can just let it rest in the left hand. Once we arrive in our banana, we just try to let the banana do the work. No need to hold or tense. Relax the jaw, bring the tongue down from the roof of the mouth. Just getting ready to totally settle in here. Let's take one more breath. And exhale, come back to center. We'll meet in Shavasana, both legs long. You can let the feet splay to the sides, palms facing the ceiling. We take a few deep cleansing breaths here before you move on to the rest of your night. Maybe you're ready for sleep now. So take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Let's try this one more time. Big breath in through the nose. Exhale, let it go through the mouth. Beautiful. And you're welcome to stay here for a little bit longer. Perhaps you're heading to bed or you're falling asleep already. Thank you very much for joining me tonight. And I hope you have a great rest of your night. And I will see you in the next one. Namaste.